He's like, could you scoot over a little bit?
You started it way too soon.
He's like, could you scoot over a little bit?
Yeah, but there's a nature box in my way.
What's nature box?
What's nature box? Why don't you just, do you have something over there?
Oh yeah, this looks like
here.
it came out of that box.
Look at that. Here, nature box. Carline pumpkin seeds. I'm looking at the wrong camera.
do you want me to do it? Because I know more. I know more about
them. Guess you should.
U.S.
Hey, Hayden, could you scoot over there, please?
I would, but there's nature box in my way.
What's nature box?
Nature box. Nature box is an amazing online thing that allows you to order from thousands of different snacks to have shipped to your house every month.
Wow, and how much would you say this costs?
But you can get 5 different snacks for about $20 a month, and they're shipped directly to your door. They're all delicious and nutritious.
I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Get nature box. Jinx.
I'm testing my mic stack. How does that make you feel?
Makes me feel like nature box makes ugly people feel attractive.
Nature box can fix any problem.
Except for your relationship.
Hey Zach, what you holding there?
This here?
Yeah.
It's some nature box.
Nature box. You mean that amazing online thing that lets you order from thousands of different snacks to have shipped directly to your door?
Yeah. How did you know?
Well, I read a thing that said you could buy delicious snacks and for a fairly... Fuck, what's the word? Something price.
Low.
Low.
Low
That's
price.
the word.
Low price.
Low price.
Yes.
And they're healthy for you too.
Indeed they are. Our mission at NatureBox, we believe snacking can be a part of a well-balanced lifestyle, which is why we delivered a world of hand-picked, unique, and neutral fucking.
Man, they must be pretty smart. To
Yeah,
use big
I
words
don't
like that.
understand. Approved foods, right to your door, made from wholesale ingredients and no added stuff like artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colors. We make snacking deliciously fun and healthy.
I think I'm gonna have to get me some.
And I think I'm gonna have to get some Savage beef jerky. You ever had Savage beef jerky?
Oh my god, yeah. Zach, what is life?
Nature Box. Excuse me for a second. I have a mouthful of Nature Box.
What is this nature box?
Good question.
Shit, we should Google it. It's like at the end. So get, some nature box. Bitch, you don't want to know.
Ow, you dick.
Bitch, you don't want to know what'll happen. Keep forgetting that that's the camera up there.
Yeah, me too.
Your urethra. The sword. Buy some fucking nature box. Doesn't work right. It's supposed to go with this. You get the point. What you got there, Zach? Looks delicious.
Because it is.
What is it? Nature box?
Damn right.
Isn't that online thing when you can order?
Yep.
I think that went well. What you got there?
Some NutriBox pumpkin seeds.
Nutri?
Yeah. NutriBox. Now, don't get confused with their cousin NatureBox. It has a U instead of an A.
I'm sorry.
I don't understand why you're laughing. Don't cut recording. We're still going.
We're doing this all the way. NatureBox.
NutriBox.
That sounds like
Fuck
shit.
NatureBox. Why are you laughing? This is a
I
commercial.
mean, NatureBox. I'm
people
laughing because NatureBox.
take this
NatureBox
seriously.
is a joke. NutriBox.
NutriBox.
I mean, goddamn.
real
I
nutrition.
mean, NatureBox makes you like pay for foods that are only pretty nutritious.
Yeah.
I mean, NutriBox like it's free and it's like you eat one of these Parline pumpkin seeds and you could like break a cow's neck with one hand.
Yeah.
It's insane.
It's that crazy.
Like
It's like, take 17 Minotaurs, combine a bunch of their tests. Excuse me. Take 17 Minotaurs and combine their testosterone and put it into one thing of pumpkin seed. Just one little tiny thing.
You know, I ate one of those yesterday and I actually pissed excellence.
Yes. Here, open your hand. Try some. You will literally go batshit insane. Try one. See?
Holy shit, yeah.
Where'd you get the ninja sword?
It conjured to me when I ate the bean.
Seed.
Bean, doesn't matter if they make them both and they're both amazing. I'm pretty sure this is Excalibur.